So now back to ArcGIS Pro for the third and hopefully last installment of this census mapping project. I want to join that population data with my tract geometry. So all these tracts, I want to have data associated with them. So in the data ribbon, I can just do a join, right? It may be useful before I do this join to import both the shapefile and the CSV file into a geodatabase. That makes them editable and stuff, but I'm just going to try it right from the start here. And the join field is going to be my GeoID, so I have that number that matches my table. And my join table, I'm going to have to search for it. And be go. It's one of these files. Has a big old long name on it, but well, I'm going to have to use the date. What time is it? Well, I can't remember which one it was that I sold, that I had saved. Must be this one that ends in the 0954. Neither of those are it. Let's try Excel again. This is in, oh, it's just in my, yeah, it is in my ArcGIS folder. This is the cleaned up data. Data with overlays. It's not ending with, oh, that might have been another piece. Let's just see if that works. And GeoID being the, recognize that. So let's see if that works. Seeing that those were definitely not the right ones, so we remove all joins. Wrong table. This definitely is the right table, so I'm just going to save as. And name it something better. And make sure, oh, I think it might have been going into my project. It's going right into the ArcGIS folder, so that's good. ArcGIS. Let's try that again. I have to refresh my catalog here. Okay, now let's try the join. There it is. Isn't it lovely? Okay, let's see if any of this data pops in. Looks like a lot of it is null. And, well, all of it is null. And that is because it sees my GeoID as a double precision type. So the fix, which we've encountered before, is to the only real way to do that out of a CSV file, because there's no way to really control that. Even in Excel, there's no way to control how to keep the CSV file from automatically determining that it's a number. It's just going to have to go into our default geodatabase. So I'm going to import a table. This allows me to add a new column to that table. Name it name tract pop, and there's just no way to control the data type. So if I import it into a geodatabase, and hopefully it'll get added automatically to my map, which it does, then I can open it and just create a new field that's text that's equal to that GeoID that forces it to be text. So I can just name it GeoID. Click on there about 4 or 5 times. And I'm going to make it 11 in length because that's how long it was on the other one. And let's see if we can save that. Beautiful. Now I need to populate that field. Should be at the end. Calculate it and just make it equal to my GeoID. And now I can join it because it's text, or I should be able to join it because it's text. Let's try joining. I'll highlight my shapefile layer again, go back to join, and add the join from the GeoID. Give it a minute or more, depending on your computer speed. And now it looks like I have numbers for everything. All I got to do is find out which column I want to map, and we can use symbology to create a map of this, such as total population. Let's just use the first one, which is the total population. So it's a very quick appearance, symbology, graduated colors. We'll use not the area of land, but the first numeric field, and these are populations of the tracts. So that is, we'll use the same good coordinate systems and the data citations and laying out the map as we did before. And that'll be how we do our assignment for this first assignment in Chapter 4.